Right, I don't know what you saw then, but I've just put these in, the orange ones. I don't know when the camera cut out. I'm just going to continue. But look, the crackle beads in orange. Now, we do sell these in blue, red, like this yellow and orange. So, you know, run along and grab those bags as well. They're all, you get a bag of 100 or a bag of 50, and they're all very, very good prices. Now let's do the brown ones. We'll do this. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. That's 6 each of those. I've got these. I'm going to put these in. They are agate. Really nice beads. Oh, and then there's 2 hearts. We can put those. Oh, we can do 4 hearts. That'll do. We can do that. 2 of the glass beads. Let's have a look. Have we got another one like that one? Let's do... These I love. I use these as, you know, for doing pendants and things like that. And that one, look at that. Gorgeous bead. A heart. Put those. I'll keep the bigger ones separate if I can. That's the last bead I've got off a necklace I got for my 50th birthday. And there was loads of these. Loads of them hanging. And I've used them over the years. Because I didn't want to keep the necklace. But, you know, I enjoyed using them. Got 2 more of those. No, I think that's it. Oh, we've got the flower ones. 2 glass flowers. Let's have a look. No. No, I think that's it. I think we've got them. That shouldn't be in there. Okie dokie, I think we've got those. That's the brown and the pearls, teardrop pearls. So I'm going to put 12 in for each. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Now we sell these and you buy on a wire, so you can actually reuse the wire as well. I think you get about 48 to 50 on a wire. So we do sell those. We also sell them in bags of 30. You know. Oh, and I'm going to put some of these in because these are... They're not getting used. They're just sat. So these are real glittery. So we're going to put a dozen in each. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Right, that's what I'm going to do. Now, I'm going to split these into 2 parcels, and you will be able to buy this, so it'll be half of what's in here with those, with that bag, and there'll be 2 available, and if you want them, go and grab them. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.